Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So here we are with part 2 of Vapasi. So friends, we might be finishing this lesson in 5 parts. So by the next week we will finish this chapter. Please do comment which chapter you want after this. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Subscription is free of cost. I haven't got new subscribers from the past few days. So please let's begin. And at least like the video and please do post your valuable comments, whether good or bad. Let's start. टोपी उतारकर गजादर बाबू ने चारपाई पर रख दी. So yesterday we had finished with this, that there is this man Gajadhar Babu who has spent his life doing a small job for his family, and now he is excited because he is returning back home. So we had reached there. So that was in part 1. Now we are continuing with part 2. टोपी उतारकर गजादर बाबू ने चारपाई पर रख दी. जूते खोलकर नीचे खिसका दिए. Removed his cap. He put his shoes inside the below the bed. अंदर से रह कर कहो की आवाज आ रही थी. Inside there was sound of people talking. इतवार का दिन था. It was इतवार. और उनके सब बच्चे इकट्ठे होकर नाश्ता कर रहे थे. All the kids were doing breakfast. गजादर बाबू के सूखे चेहरे पर मुस्कान आ गई. So all this time he was eager to see his family. Finally when he saw his family, there is some sense of happiness. So he is happy. और उसी तरह मुस्कुराते हुए वे बिना खासे अंदर चले गए. So without making any sound to tell his presence, sometimes when you enter somewhere you just do to tell the person that you are there. So he didn't do any sound like that. He just quietly went. उन्होंने देखा कि नरेंद्र कमर पर हाथ रखे शायद गत रात्रि की फिल्म में देखे गए किसी नृत्य की नकल कर रहा था. So there was Narendra who was mimicking some type of dance. Maybe he saw this dance in some film. और वसंती हंस हंस कर दुहरी हो रही थी. And here वसंती is just laughing. अमर की बहू को अपने तन बदन आंचल या घूंघट का कोई होश न था. The daughter-in-law was not worried where her dupatta is or how she is looking. और वह उन्मुक्त रूप से हंस रही थी. She was just laughing. गजादर बाबू को देखते ही नरेंद्र धप से बैठ गया. After he saw his father, नरेंद्र just sat down. और चाय का प्याला उठाकर मुंह से लगाया. Started drinking tea. बहू को होश आया और उसने झट से माथा ढक दिया. Now the बहू, the daughter-in-law, saw her father-in-law. So fast she pulled her dupatta on her head. केवल वसंती का शोर रह कर हंसी दबाने का प्रयास में हिलता रहा. So now Vasanti is trying not to laugh, but she can't control her laughter. So she is shaking with laughter, trying her best to control it. गजादर बाबू ने मुस्कुराते हुए उन लोगों को देखा. फिर कहा, क्यों नरेंद्र, क्या नकल हो रही थी? कुछ नहीं बाबूजी. He asked them what was happening, but the son said nothing, Dad. नरेंद्र ने सिटपिटाकर कहा. गजादर बाबू ने चाहा था कि वे भी इन मनोविवाद में भाग लेते. He also wanted to be a part of this. पर उनके आते ही जैसे सब कुटिल हो चुप हो गए. So suddenly there was quietness. उससे उनके मन में थोड़ी सी खिन्नत उपज आई. बैठे हुए बोले, बसंती, चाय मुझे भी देना. तुम्हारी अम्मा की पूजा चल रही है क्या? Give me also tea. Is your mother doing पूजा or something? वसंती ने माँ की कोठरी की ओर देखा. She is looking at her mother's room. अभी आती ही होगी. She must be coming. और प्याले में उनके लिए चाय छानने लगी. Now she is staining the tea for her father. बहुत चुपचाप पहले ही चली गई थी. अब नरेंद्र भी चाय का आखिरी घूंट पीकर उठ खड़ा हुआ. Daughter-in-law already went after drinking tea. Now even Narendra has drunk his tea and even he is trying to get up. केवल वसंती पिता के लिहाज में चौके में बैठी माँ की राह देख रही थी. Now just for formality, because her father is there, Vasanti is sitting there and she is looking if her mother is coming. गजादर बाबू ने एक घूंट चाय पी. फिर कहा, So now Gajadhar Babu drinks little tea and says, "Bitti, chai to fiki hai." So this chai is not that tasty. It's like this in Konkani, pachki cha. So like that totally. He says it is fiki hai, fair like. लाइए चीनी और डाल देती हूँ, वसंती बोली। I'll add more sugar, Dad. रहने दो, तुम्हारी अम्मा जब आएंगी तब पी लूँगा. When your mother comes, I will drink it. Let it be. थोड़ी देर में उनकी पत्नी हाथ में एक अर्घ्य का लोटा लिए निकली और अशुद्ध स्तुति कहते हुए तुलसी में डाल दिया. So here she comes with her puja. There's this lota which is used in puja. It's like a tumbler where you put water. It is usually used to do abhishek to God, or it's used to offer water to goddess Tulsi. So she's coming with this lota and she puts water in Tulsi. उन्हें देखते ही वसंती भी उठ गई. पत्नी ने आकर गजाधर बाबू को देखा और कहा, वसंती gets up and now the पत्नी is saying, अरे आप अकेले बैठे हैं, ये सब कहाँ गए? You're sitting alone. Where are the other children gone? गजाधर बाबू के मन में फोर्स सी करक उठी. अपने अपने काम में लग गए हैं, आखिर बच्चे ही हैं. After all, they are children. They are doing their own work. पत्नी आकर चौके में बैठ गई. उन्होंने नाक भी चढ़ाकर चारों ओर झूठे बर्तन को देखा. So now the पत्नी is gone and she is gone in the चौके में बैठ गई और उन्होंने भी नाक चढ़ाकर चारों ओर झूठे बर्तनों को देखा. So there were used utensils kept there. झूठे means used. This is not that झूठा सच्चा. This is झूठे मतलब खाया हुआ झूठा. फिर कहा, सारे चौके में झूठे बर्तन पड़े हैं. इस घर में धर्म करम कुछ नहीं. All these used utensils are fallen there. Is there no religion? Is there no work in this house? Duty or work in this house? पूजा करक सीधे चौके में घुसो. So now she's saying I have to do puja and direct I have to go in this चौका to wash this झूठे बर्तन. फिर उन्होंने नौकर को पुकारा. जब उत्तर ना मिला तो एक बार और ऊंचे स्वर में. So now she's calling her this a servant, and she called him once. There was no sound. So now she's calling him again louder. फिर पति की ओर देखकर बोली. Now she is looking at her husband and saying, बहू ने भेजा होगा बाजार. और एक लंबी सांस लेकर चुप हो गई. Now she is saying, oh, the daughter-in-law must have sent him to the market. That's why he is not there. गजाधर बाबू बैठकर चाय और नाश्ते का इंतजार करते रहे. उन्होंने अचानक ही गणेशी की याद आ गई. Now because of this servant, he is remembering his old friend गणेशी. फैसकल भले ही रानीपुर लेट पहुँचते. पैसेंजर भले ही रानीपुर लेट पहुँचते, गणेशी की चाय पहुँचने में कभी देर नहीं की. क्या मजाल कि कभी उसे कुछ कहना पड़े. Sometimes even by mistake the train was late and passengers reached late. But my friend Ganeshi always brought chai for me, always on time. Who could even say anything to him? पत्नी का शिकायत भरा स्वर सुन उनके विचारों में व्याघात पहुंचा. वे कह रही थी, सारा दिन इसी खिचखिच में निकल जाता है. She says every day it's the same story, the same किट in our house. इसी गृहस्थी का धंधा पीटते पीटते उम्र बीत गई. कोई जरा हाथ भी नहीं बटाता. So she's saying, from the day I was married, I am here bearing the burden of household responsibilities. There is nobody even to share my responsibilities. बहू क्या किया करती है? गजाधर बाबू ने पूछा. What does the daughter-in-law do? पड़ी रहती है. She's just there. वसंती को तो फिर कहो कि कॉलेज जाना होता है. वसंती says that she goes to college. So she also doesn't help me. गजाधर बाबू में जोश में आकर वसंती को आवाज़ दी. So now he is all excited and he thinks that everybody is going to listen to him and all that. So he calls his daughter वसंती. वसंती भाभी के कमरे से निकली तो गजाधर बाबू ने कहा. So she was in her sister-in-law's room. So now she comes out. वसंती, आज से शाम का खाना बनाने की जिम्मेदारी तुम पर है। सुबह का भोजन तुम्हारी भाभी बनाएगी। इन द मॉर्निंग योर सिस्टर इन लॉ विल कुक, इन द इवनिंग यू हैव टू कुक। वसंती मुंह लटकाकर बोली, बाबूजी पढ़ना भी तो होता है। So here Vasanti is saying she's very sad. She doesn't want to help. So she says, I have college also. I have to study. गजादर बाबू ने बड़े प्यार से समझाया. So now like a responsible father, he is telling his daughter, तुम सुबह पढ़ लिया करो. तुम्हारी माँ बूढ़ी हो गई है. Now your mother has become old. Why don't you study in the morning? उनके शरीर में अब वह शक्ति नहीं बची है. Now that same strength is not there in your mother when she was young. तुम तो हो, तुम्हारी भाभी है, दोनों को मिलकर काम में हाथ बटाना चाहिए. You're there, your sister-in-law is there. Now both of you should help your mother-in-law or your mother. वसंती चुप रह गई. उसके जाने के बाद उसकी माँ ने धीरे से कहा, पढ़ने का तो बहाना है, कभी जी नहीं लगता. लगे कैसे? The mother is telling her father after she goes that see, she's not really interested in studying. She is not even studying properly. शीला से ही फुर्सत नहीं. बड़े बड़े लड़के हैं उस घर में. So there is this friend Sheila and she has brothers or boys in her house. हर वक्त वहाँ घुसा रहना मुझे नहीं सुहाता. I don't like her going there. मना करूँ तो सुनती नहीं. If I tell her not to go there, she doesn't listen. So this was all of part 2. I hope you have understood. Tomorrow we'll be starting with part 3. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Please try to give me many subscribers before Holi. And please do like the channel and please post your valuable comments. Thank you. And best of luck for your exams and your prelims.